Let's look at sales. This is the sales control room. It has dashboards for customer sales order bookings, shipments, average value per customer order, rolling sales trend, shipped late, and sales versus forecast. Let's look at the shipments dashboard. The first chart displays monthly shipments on a timeline for the year selected. In this example, a threshold has been set at $1 million per month and is represented by the green line. That makes it easy to see if you are above or below the threshold for each month. The next row of charts shows a tree map on the left with the value of shipments for each plant, and a geomap on the right with the country of destination highlighted. And if you hover over the country, the value of shipments is displayed. The third row displays the value of shipments by customer on the left and the value of shipments by product category on the right. The next row displays value of shipments by product line, product, and the last row by sales order line number. Next, we'll look at the procurement dashboards.